If you've lost access to your Etsy account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Etsy login page. Go to the Etsy website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password to attempt logging in. If you can't access your account, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Request a password reset. On the login page, click on Forgot Your Password. Follow the prompts to enter your email address. Etsy will send you a password reset link to your email. Step 3. Check your email. Open the email from Etsy and click on the password reset link. Follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Step 4. Secure your account. Once you regain access, immediately check your account settings. Update your security questions and enable two-factor authentication for added protection against future suspicious activity. Step 5. Contact Etsy support. If you're still having trouble accessing your account or notice any unauthorized changes, reach out to Etsy support. Provide them with as much information as possible to help them assist you effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Etsy account and secure it against future issues.